Welcome to techtravellershub. Today I am going to unbox OnePlus Bullets wireless Z2 neckband. Okay, this is just green color. I have already unboxed another one, acoustic red. Let's unbox the neckband. Okay, this is the neckband, just green color, nice color. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, there is a user manual and charging cable, USB to C type charging cable, and some ear tips, different sizes. Okay, let's open it so I can show you. 1 2 3 4 two pair of different sizes ear tips, and another one is with the earphone. Okay, this is the neckband, volume up down, and the middle button is the power button. Okay, OnePlus branding. Okay, the charging port and the indicator. Okay, OnePlus. This is the earbud. Okay, this is the magnetic. Two earbuds, when two earbuds connected each other, then it will not pair. You have to open it before pairing. Okay, volume up down button. Okay, power button. We have to open it. Then now see, the white light is blinking. Okay, if you attach two bars, then it will be disconnected. Now I am pairing the neckband. Okay, see, you have to disconnect it first. Separate two earbuds, then go to Bluetooth, click more options, then search for available devices. Now click on the power button of the earbud. Press the power button, then see connect. You will get the notification in your phone. Okay, connected. You can change settings if you wish. Okay, this is how you can pair it. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.